Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's the Artsy Amateur, and today I am playing with three colors that I have never used before. And I'm a little bit excited, a lot nervous. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for some of your feedback too on my last video, Arctic Cinders. I got some feedback that my music was just a little bit too loud. My 12-year-old son wrote it for me, so I am toning it down. Definitely for this video and going forward, so appreciate the feedback. But yeah, let's get started. All right, here they are. We have this very, very sunny primary yellow from Liquitex Basics. It's very bright and vibrant, so I'm interested to see how it plays. It's also semi-opaque, so it means it has transparency too. So we'll see how that does with all the other colors. This next one, not sure how I feel about this color yet. So this is Yellow Oxide. It looks a lot like school bus yellow. It has, yes, a very orangey color to it. You'll see when I pour it in these cups here, but it's intense. Yeah, it's intense. So I think it'll play well with the bright yellow, tone it down a bit. And then we have kind of a curveball here. I'm going to be using Payne's Gray. Again, Liquitex Basics. So Payne's Gray is a dark, beautiful, like bluish gray color, and it's very deep. So I have to be cognizant on how much of it I use. And I also have to be careful because if it mixes with this, semi-transparent yellow, it could make for some really probably ugly colors. So we don't know. Okay, we don't know till we try. I've not tried this color combination before. I've never tried any of these colors in anything before, so I'm not quite sure how they're gonna play, but we'll learn together, right? I wanted to pick a color palette that I've not done yet, and it's experimentation, and I'm really excited to try it out. So all right, I think what I'm going to do is a ring pour because I want the colors to stay a little bit more defined. I don't want them mixing much. I think that's going to be a really good technique for this. So just going through my consistency, it's I would say a little on the thicker side. If you watch people like Mina Villegas, she's kind of probably like very similar to the medium that she uses, a little bit thicker consistency, where people who do Dutch pours and even like Molly's Artistry, hers are always very thin. So I'm excited to see what we get with these. All right, so this is a 14 by 18 canvas. I wanted to take a break from the big ones that I've been doing. And this one's so cute. I already taped and pinned the back, gallery wrapped, so perfect for a bathroom or a hallway or something. So I'm really excited to try this size canvas too, because I've been working on some of the bigger ones. They've been giving me problems in the past, but they always turn out beautiful. You can see some behind me right now that are still curing, but I'm excited to get back to smaller, more manageable ones. And we need about 9 ounces of paint. So each one of these cups is 16 ounces. So we don't even need to fill them halfway up to have enough paint. And then these little cups are 5 ounces. So I already made too much, like normal, but that's okay. All right. So I think I'm gonna start with the yellow, this bright, bright, bright yellow. And I do like it, so don't let me talk a bunch and pretend I don't like it. I like this yellow color. This yellow color is happy, and it's very sunny. It looks like a sunflower yellow. So maybe, because I have the winter blues right now in Pennsylvania here, and we just got back from beautiful sunny Florida on vacation last week, I wanted to keep things sunny. And then here's this little school bus yellow. Yay. No, I think it's gonna actually look pretty cool. All right, with the Payne's Gray, it's such a strong color. I'm not gonna add too much of it. So I'm just gonna add a tiny bit. But I do like throwing in like a little bit of contrast in my paintings. All right. And then I'm gonna come back in with that yellow, the school bus yellow. Sorry, I keep calling it school bus yellow. It's actually not called school bus yellow. I just keep calling it that. It is yellow oxide. Yellow oxide. Hey, that just shows you there's somebody out there for everyone, okay? So, and this color's it. This color's it. Not my first choice, but it might be somebody's favorite. So I'm gonna stop talking smack about it, okay? All right, and then I'm gonna come back in and do my very happy primary yellow. But yes, sunny Florida was absolutely amazing. We were in the Fort Myers beach area. There's still a lot of rebuilding from Hurricane Ian, but we had the best time. The weather was beautiful, thank goodness, because they had a cold spell right before we got there. But yeah, it was mid 70s, sunny. And then here in Pennsylvania, it was, 20s and 30s. So take me back, please. Oh, summer's coming here eventually, but okay. I think I am going to add maybe just a teeny bit more of this one. And a teeny bit more of this one on the side. I'm running low here, so it probably doesn't make much of a difference. I just wanted a tiny bit of a barrier before the last Payne's Gray. So again, not much, not much. It is a very strong color. All right, that probably looks good. This would be about 8 ounces and 8 ounces, but we have less than that, which is exactly what we want. So let's get to pouring. So let me see which way I want to do this. Do I want to do it that way or this way? I think I'm going to pour it from the side. Let's do the first one. We'll pour it from the side, meaning if you can see the cup here, instead of pouring it from the way that I poured the paint in, I'm going to pour it from the side so we get a little bit of every color. And I'm going to do 2 separate ring pours here. So let's start with this one. Oh boy, I see some green mixing in there. So fun fact, if you didn't know, most of you probably do, black and yellow make green. And I did a Payne's Gray, so I didn't know if that's how it would turn out. But lo and behold, it is kind of greenish, but not too bad. I'm actually liking what's going on right here. So, all right, so that was one. Let's do the other here. All right. I love these like little ribbons that come off at the very end. They're kind of fun to play with. So, all right. That's pretty funky. I'm not hating it. I'm not hating it. I am going to set these, so I make paint skin jewelry as well. So I'm going to set these on the corners so I can let the extra paint run off and then create some beautiful jewelry out of it. All right, let me just move this to the center here. And I'm not sure if we need a flow extender or not. I'm just going to see. I better put one on. Yeah. I just so happen to have Sunshine Yellow pre-mixed pouring acrylic, so I'm going to use that as my flow extender. Okay, here I am over here making a giant mess. Like I said I wouldn't this time, but I make no promises, guys. Come on. Yeah, no, this is going to be good. This is going to be a perfect flow extender because Sunshine Yellow just so happens to be very closely in the same color palette family as this beautiful primary yellow from Liquitex. So let's see if this is going to help. I think this is going to help a lot. So I just wanted to, yeah, the paint was kind of moving over on itself. Let's torch it too. I forgot to do that already. All right. Okay, I'm gonna go off of this corner up here probably first. Walk it over. For the edge, all right. I'm gonna pull it back. Okay, I'm just gonna go over. I'm right here, I might as well go over to this next one. Yes. And then we can really open up this top, which will be good. I think that's gonna help a lot. There we go. Because right now it's definitely looking a little busy, but I think it'll be okay. Okay, bring it back down. Okay, and go off of this corner and edge here. Okay. Bring it back in the middle. Okay, now down off of this side. All right. Woo, it is wild. I will give it that. It is crazy. I'm gonna take a look at it here in a minute and see what composition I like, if there's anything I want to get rid of. The answer is yeah, definitely. Okay, I'm just moving everything back to center right now. Okay. Okay, I think I'm gonna take more off of this end and this end. It's just a little bit too busy for me. I'm not feeling it. So let me move this towards you guys here. I'm gonna take it a little bit down. Get all this craziness off. There you go. Man, I keep seeing little thingies in here. All right, now we're going to bring it back over this way. Back, and then we're gonna bring it down. Again, there's just like so much craziness going on. I want to open this other stuff up too. But I tell you what, there's some really pretty paint skin jewelry I'm gonna get out of this one, so. Let's do just a little bit more. All right, that's gonna help. All right, let's open it back up now. Oops, sorry. And now all we're doing is just opening up the composition, letting it come back so we can move everything a little bit back to center. Are you serious? I can't get away without messing up one of my shirts. I tell you what, it is so annoying. That's okay though. That's what we're here for. I'll deal with it. Okay, I touched up my sides. Let me grab the camera and bring you down for a closer look of the wet reveal. All right, here is the close-up. Look at these crazy lines. Oh my gosh. And you know what? The green's kind of cool. Again, these colors are very psychedelic. The movement's a little psychedelic. I don't know. It's like, but I do love the Payne's gray and the yellow. I wish, yeah. I wish they didn't combine as much. I was hoping with my thicker consistency they wouldn't have mixed as much, but hey, you live and you learn. We got a little bit of green out of these, but I love up here. I actually really like this yellow oxide, the school bus yellow. I think it actually looks kind of cool. So, oh boy. Well, hey, you learn by doing, right? So I will see you guys at the dried results. We'll see what that looks like. All right, here we are a few days later, and whew, little wild. Little wild, lots of green. There's some cool, let me get my camera to focus here. There's some cool parts to it. Like this part's kind of neat, how like the paint flowed, and sorry for the glare. It's like high noon right now. I do love this part up here. This is really pretty. This is really pretty with the different lines of yellow and black coming into the green. So, and I kind of like the school bus colors. Again, didn't really turn out like I thought it would. I should have used probably brown instead of black. That was a mistake. I should have known that was going to create green, but kind of groovy, a little bit psychedelic. Kind of looks like a storm, maybe up at the top right. So maybe I'll think of a cool name for like a storm. It looks kind of wild. So, all right, let me know what you guys think. I might paint over this one, so stay tuned. You might see this one again. I'll let it grow on me for a few weeks and then make the call. But either way, it was fun. Used colors I didn't normally use. So, well, thank you guys so much for painting with me today. This isn't my favorite, but it might grow on me. I don't know. It's very psychedelic, so we'll see. We'll see. But I really appreciate it. If you liked this video, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, hit the little notification bell for all notifications. I'll be posting a ton more videos coming up, playing with different colors. I have a really cool technique in mind that I want to try for next time. I have no idea if it's going to work, but we'll experiment together. But yeah, and share with your friends if you think they think this is interesting as well. All right, leave me a comment. What'd you guys think? Till next time, take care, everyone. See you soon.